In this video, we are going to explore some common list methods in Python. So at the end, you will know how to manipulate list built-in methods. So some of the methods what we are going to deal with is index, count, sort, reverse, and copy. So first, we will see how the index method works. So it returns the index of the first occurrence of an item. Suppose we are having an item called fruits. Fruits is a list that is having apple, mango, grapes, and one more mango we are having, and fruits. So you have two mangoes here, and we have apple and grapes also. So we need to get the index of the mango. So when you write this method, you will get the index of the first occurrence of mango. You are not going to get this index. You are going to get the index of this mango, the first occurrence. So we can give it as print fruits dot index mango, and you got it as 1. The next method we are going to deal with is count of an item. So how many times an item occurred, or how many times an item is there inside the list. So the same way we can it as fruits equals to mango, apple, grapes, mango, banana, and once again mango. So in this list we are having 3 mangoes, and we will first print the fruits. So you have 1, 2, 3 occurrence of mangoes. So if you want to count the number of these 3, you can give it as print fruits dot count mango. You can get it as 3. Same way you can use for numbers also. So the next thing is sorting. Of course, sorting will understand it is based upon numbers, numeric data type. So it sorts the list in ascending order by default, but you can do it in a descending way also. So suppose you are having a list of numbers 3, 2, 4, 1, 5, 0, 8. And if you print the number, you're going to get an unsorted list. So now if you want to sort this, you can just do num.sort. And then once again, you can print the number. You got, it turned everything into a sorting way, and you got the exact sorting result. Now suppose you want to sort it in a descending way. Suppose you're going to get the result of all the people who got the highest marks till the lowest marks, or highest salary to the lowest salary. So you want to have it in a descending way, isn't it? So what we are going to do, same thing. We are having 3, 2, 4, 1, 5, 0, 8. The same list we are having, and we will print the same list, and of course we got the unsorted list. Now we will do the sorting in a descending way. So num.sort, you can give it as reverse equals to true, and then once again you can print the number. So now you can see the list got sorted in the descending way. Now the next method is reverse. It reverses the list order. It is not going to sort, reverse the list order. It is just going to reverse the list order. So you can just take an example. Num is equal to 3, 2, 5, 1. And we are going to print first the number to show you got the number in a list that is not sorted also. We are going to just reverse it. We are going to make this 1 come as the first index and 3 as the last index. So num dot reverse. Now if you print num, you will get the exact reverse of this list. It is not going to sort it out, or it is not going to do anything. Now suppose instead of doing this kind of sorting, reverse equals true, you can sort it in another way also, because we are having a list like this, and if you want to print have a list like this, you want to sort it in a reverse way. Instead of using this reverse, you can use this reverse. Instead of using the sort and reverse equals to true, you can sort it and then reverse it using this reverse function. So you can do num.sort, and then we can print num, and then you can do num.reverse, print num. So you can see first when you have given num.sort, so it's sorted in an ascending way. Then you can do the reverse of it, that becomes a descending order. So you can reverse it and you can show it. So, but instead of using this reverse, you can use sort, and you can use the reverse equals to true. That is an easier and better way. So the next method is copy. It returns the shallow copy of the list. So when you modify the list, it is better to take a copy of the list to preserve the original list. So for that, you can take a copy of it by using .copy method. So suppose we have a list called original fruits that is having apple, mango, pineapple. We will print it. You got this list. This is the original list: apple, mango, and pineapple. And we have a duplicate list which is known as duplicate fruits equals original fruits dot copy. Now we will print the duplicate fruits. We got the same list. But now if you want to do some manipulations on the duplicate fruits, you can do it. So duplicate fruits dot pop one. You're going to pop out one fruit from this duplicate fruit list, and we can print duplicate fruits. So the one that is in the first index got deleted. That means now you are having only apple and pineapple. That means your fruit list got reduced. Now if suppose you don't want to do this, you want to go to the original one. You want that original fruit list. Instead of getting worried, you can just simply go to the original fruits and you can get it. Print original fruits. You got the entire list you got. Once again, if you want, you can manipulate. You can take the copy and you can manipulate the list. So always it is better to take a copy of the list before doing the manipulation. So hope this was a valuable one. Have a nice day.